Hi, we have a used machine for sale, a Nepata UA1650 ADW from 2013, so it's roughly 12 years old. The machine has always been running at a customer in Europe with maintenance made by Nepata. The machine has received a full service now, and many parts have been exchanged, especially all the wear parts. So the machine is fully operational, and it also features used computer hardware to run it with Convert Plus software, which is not a must, but it's possible. So it has a PC, a touchscreen monitor, and a barcode gun, but no Convert Plus license. So this would be needed to be purchased separately. But other than that, everything is already there. It's also a printer included. The printer is just not set up here in this video setting now. The machine itself is very easy to use for rewinding and slitting with an unwind diameter of roughly 28 centimeters and a rewind diameter of roughly 20, including slitting diameter of 20 centimeters. And operation width is 1.65 meters. To load a roll works like this. Place the roll on the left chuck and then put the sliding chuck in from the right. Then we release the material here. We set up a job now of rewinding 10 meters. So that's easily made here in the internal display, or the job will be sent from Convert Plus in your setup, and then you simply start the rewinding process with automatic edge detection. The film is brought up into the position where it can be easily attached to the core at the top, like so. And then you simply start rewinding under controlled web tension, so you get a nice straight roll. Then an automatic cross cut. And we just close this roll here. So, and after rewinding, you might want to cut the roll into segments, or you want to cut a roll into segments that has not been previously rewound. Of course, you can also load a full roll of material directly here for slitting. And so first you will try to find the right edge of your film by touching it with the blade. Then you press 0 here. Now you have the absolute distance from the left on the upper display and the relative distance from your point 0 from the right. And what I will do now is I cut the roll in the middle at 32.5 centimeters. Simply press start button, lower the cutting head, perform the cut, and take the cut rolls out. And then we also can take the master roll out here too. All the chucking and releasing is done automatically, so we have pneumatic chucks on these 3 spots here, and everything is locked and unlocked automatically for maximum performance.